Hi class, very good morning to all of you, and this is the lecture for class 8, and we have continuing our exercise of exponent, and today we will discuss about standard form and scientific notation. A number is said to be in scientific notation if it is expressed as a product of a number between 1 and 10 and integral power of 10. Again we repeat, a number is said to be in scientific notation if it is expressed as a product of number between 1 and 10 and its integral power of 10. And then a question arises, why we use scientific notation? There is a simple question, why we use scientific notation? And its answer is very simple also, because it is very difficult to read and learn very large numbers, such as distances of the sun from earth is 149,600,000 meter, but in scientific notation it is written as 1.496 multiplied with 10 to the power 11 meter. You can see that this number is very easy to write and learn in their form, in this form. Again you can see this number. You have to very difficult to read and write in it, but you can read it and write or learn it as well in the easy way. So we use scientific notation. Similarly, the average diameter of a red blood cell is 0.00007 millimeter, and it is written as 7.0 multiplied with 10 raised to power minus 6 millimeter. Now there is some rule for the scientific notation. And what is the rule? When decimal point is shifted from right to left, then exponent becomes positive, and when decimal point is shifted from left to right, then exponent becomes negative. So simple rule, when we shifted the decimal from right to left, positive, then and when we shifted decimal left to right, negative exponent. Now point to be remembered, there is some points to be remembered. Very large, very small numbers can be expressed in standard form using negative exponent, and very large number using positive exponent. For large numbers we use positive exponent, and for small numbers we use negative exponent to express in the scientific notation. Now we have some examples. Example 1, express the following numbers in scientific notation, and we have the numbers is 317 and after that 8 zeros. So, and the second question is 0.000000823. So solution of first one we write as well again, and here is the last point, and now we shifted this decimal point from there to here. So how many digits we shifted? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and we can write 3.17 multiply, because integral of 10 the power, how many digits we shifted? 10. So we write 10 as the exponent of 8. Since decimal point is shifted by 10 places from right to left. Now the second point is 0.000000823 equal to 8.23, and why we write 8.23? Because this decimal point shifted from left to right 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, from there to here, that 8.23 multiply, because the decimal point is shifted by left to right, so we assign the negative power, and how many digits we shifted? 8, so we assign the power minus 8, since decimal point is shifted by 8 places from left to right. So now it's homework time. Question number 1 is express the following in standard form. And the first one part is 7.12 multiply 10 raised to power 8, and the second part is 5 multiply 10 raised to power minus 7. And question number 2 is express the following in scientific note form. First one is 3270000, and second part is 5284 and 4 zeros after that. So this will be your homework for today. Thank you.